Today, I'm going to show you how to use Wispr Flow on Android. It's this voice-to-text app that basically lets you talk instead of type in literally any app. Let's jump right in. First thing, open up the Play Store, search Wispr Flow, and just tap install. Super quick, takes maybe 30 seconds depending on your connection. Once it's installed, open it up. It'll walk you through a couple of quick intro screens explaining how it works, then sign in. I'm just going to use my Google account here. If you've used Flow before on another device, make sure you sign in the same way you did there. It'll give you two tiny practice dictations, one where you tap to talk, one where you press and hold. Do those, they take like 10 seconds each. Then here's the important part. Flow needs two permissions to actually work: display over other apps and accessibility. It'll pop you straight into your phone settings for each one. Just flip the switch on, hit agree, and it'll bring you right back to the app automatically. Last couple steps, just allow the battery permissions so it doesn't get shut down in the background, choose your notification preference, then tap finish. That's it, setup's done. Now watch this. I'll open up my Messages app, tap the text box, and see that little floating bubble that popped up? That's Flow. I just tap it and talk normally, and boom, and it typed that out for me, punctuation and all. I just tap the check mark and it drops right into the text field, and that's it. That's Wispr Flow on Android. Install it, grant two permissions, and you're talking instead of typing in pretty much any app. Give it a try and let me know how it goes.